Okay, this is Largo, Eduardo, Marques. So we're just going to highlight this little church right here and this right here, and also kind of show you the waterfront over there. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are, Largo, Eduardo, Marques, and we have kind of eateries over here. It's at nighttime right here. It's about 8 o'clock. We also have this kind of cool looking thing right here. We're gonna highlight this. So that's kind of looks nice. This little plaza right here with a church in the background. We also have that one, this one, and this one, the waterfront. So we're just gonna take a look at the waterfront real quick. But all of that is China. It's Zhuhai, China, Hengqin Island, all the way across. And then over there is University of Macau. It's connected through a tunnel, underground tunnel. So let's just kind of take a look around. We're gonna kind of take a look at all the different stuff in here. So this is a little restaurant right here. There's another restaurant over there as well. So let's just kind of take a look. So you got lots of beautiful chairs, lots of people eating in here. And this one is, I think it's Portuguese, Macauese. Kind of a mix of stuff, a lot of seafood. So just gonna go show you the alley in here real quick as well. So there's little alleys, you can walk up and down these alleys. At nighttime it's not as interesting because it's kind of dark. But this right here is quite nice at nighttime because there's a lot of activity. We're in Coloane, by the way. You got this right here is 1928, it says. There's some other places that people can sit out here in that alley as well. So there's two alleys. Kind of interesting too. That's Our Lady of Fatima, I think. St. Francis Xavier, okay. So here's the other side too. So we got this side and that side as well. Let's just kind of take a look through here a little bit. Okay, so you got this nice little plaza in here. Got these restaurants with these beautiful trees, coconuts, beer, wine, all kinds of stuff. And we're just gonna go back towards the waterfront a little bit. So yeah, this is a little plaza in Coloane. Coloane is the most southern part of Macau. And it's basically kind of a small town kind of feel. Beautiful trees like that. So, okay. So you can kind of see a little slice of it. Okay. Let's head over to the water. And we'll also give you a little view of it from this side as well. There's our main street right there. It's right by the waterfront. Got the Portuguese tiles all the way down as well. And there you go. There's park benches all along here. You can sit along here. That's Zhuhai, China. That's University of Macau. There's like a tunnel that connects University of Macau with Taipa, Coloane. There's a little bar right there, karaoke. Not really a bar, but you can drink there for sure. And that's our plaza. Let's put it right there. Toma cuidado, la